Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to bring back the missing phone app on iPhone. So as you can see right now, I'm on my iPhone home screen and here we can see no phone app showing up here. So if you're also facing this problem, don't worry, I will show you how you can get back phone app on your iPhone home screen easily. The first solution is if you accidentally removed phone app from your iPhone home screen, then go to your app library. Once you are in your app library, just tap on this search box and type here phone. And here you will find the phone app. Now simply drag this phone app and add into your iPhone home screen. And this was the first solution to get back missing phone app icon on iPhone. And the second solution is go to your iPhone settings app. And here, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions. And here, make sure to disable content and privacy restrictions. And then go to your iPhone and check the issue. And if you're still having the same problem, then follow these final steps. We have to reset our iPhone home screen or home layout. So go to your iPhone settings and tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset. And here you have to tap on Reset Home Screen Layout. Once you successfully resetted your home screen layout, now you should see the phone app on your iPhone home screen. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.